Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I always try to get good opportunities for me just to keep the day going as a snack or on the go, this is where this Almond Joy bar comes into place. And let me tell you some of the things that I like the most from this. It's the texture. It's covered in chocolate, but it has the almond in the middle, and you get this soft coconut in the center. This is a great combination. The coconut, the almond, the chocolate, like his whole layer, because it's crunchy at the outside because of the layer of the chocolate, is the little bit crunchiness of the almond in the center, but it's all about the softness of the coconut in the middle. This makes up for a great combination of flavors because it doesn't feel that sugary at all, but at the same time, it gives you the best of both worlds. Soft, the crunchy of the almond, and the softness and the taste of the chocolate. So, this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.